All right, taking a look at gold. Gold continues to consolidate near recent highs. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So, of course, we've got gold at record highs. It stalled out at the completion of these two ABCD patterns for the last 3 days, and we have a series of lower highs, lower lows. However, price has remained close to the resistance zone. We had a bearish reversal on this shooting star candlestick pattern yesterday, and so far there's really no follow through to speak of. So that means that there could still be a breakout to the upside, which would trigger above 3,675. If that happens and it's sustained, then the 3734 becomes a target, followed by this price zone starting around 3,782. It would be a little healthier, in my opinion, if there's a bit more of a pullback first before new highs. But we don't know if that's going to occur. So a deeper pullback, first indicated possibly on a drop below today's low of 3,613. First target zone around the 38.2% retracement at 3,537. And then there are lower target zones around the previous highs here related to the symmetrical triangle. But I do want to point out specifically this purple 20 moving average of 3,465 currently, since it is rising, and it very well will be matching the previous high around 3,500 and the 50% retracement by the time it is approached by price, if it is approached by price. Nevertheless, it is a key trend indicator for this advance. Okay, so that is it for gold. I was just thinking if there's anything else I wanted to point out. I do want to point out this relative strength index, which shows overbought, of course. Not a big deal, but it does correlate with the potential for at least a near-term pullback in gold before it attempts to go to new trend highs. All right, that is it for today, traders. Have a great Friday.